Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel English Sikho Dil Se. Today we will listen to the conversation between two little school kids and try to learn English. Okay, here we go. Hello, what is your name? Hi, my name is Santosh. And what is your name? My name is Biswas. How old are you? I am 9 years old. And how old are you? I am 9 years old too. Where do you study? I study in Delhi Public School. And where do you study? I study in Army School. In which class do you study? I am studying in class 5. And you? I am also studying in class 5. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 8:30 in the morning. And what time do you go to school? I also go to school at the same time. What time does your school close? My school closes at 4 in the evening. And what time do you leave? My school also closes at 4 in the evening. What kind of games do you play in school? I like to play football and badminton. And what games do you like? I like to play cricket. Is there a big ground in your school? Yes, we have a big school ground. We too have a big school ground. Which subject do you like? My favorite subject is science. And what is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is maths. Who is your favorite teacher? Subham sir is my favorite teacher. He teaches us very well. And who is your favorite teacher? Asmita ma'am is my favorite teacher. She also teaches us very well. When does your summer vacation starts? From the mid of June. And yours? Mine too, from the mid of June. What is your plan for vacation? I will go to aunt's house with my family. I will stay there for a few days. Wow, that sounds great. And what is your plan for vacation? I will go to visit my grandpa with my family. I will to stay there for a few days. Will you go to some other places this vacation? Yes, maybe. My family is planning a trip to Goa. Wow, I have heard that Goa is a beautiful place. I have also heard the same. I hope your family trip plan is successful. Thank you very much, Biswas. You're welcome. Now you have become my new good friend. You are also my friend from now on. Let's meet after vacation, okay? Of course, we shall meet. Okay then, see you after vacation. Okay, bye, see you soon. Bye. I hope this conversation was interesting for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.